In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build dashboards in Zoho CRM. A dashboard in Zoho CRM is a collection of visual components, charts, graphs, tables, and KPI widgets that summarize your CRM data, like deals, leads, activities, and revenue. Think of it as your command center for quick, at-a-glance insights. You can keep dashboards private or share them with specific people, which makes them great for both personal tracking and team visibility. To get started, log in and open the Dashboards or Analytics module from the main menu. If you don't see it right away, click More to reveal additional modules. Make sure your profile has Analytics permissions and the Manage Reports permission. Without those, you won't be able to create or edit dashboards. From the Dashboards or Analytics homepage, click the Add icon and choose Add Dashboard or New Dashboard. In the Builder, give your dashboard a clear, descriptive name so others instantly understand what it's for. Add a short description if you want to outline its purpose or the data it covers. Decide who can access it. Only Me keeps it private. All users makes it visible to everyone with access. And Custom lets you choose specific users, roles, or groups. If you plan to share it, but want to prevent changes, turn on the lock option so others can view, but not edit. Next, add components. Click Add Component and choose the type you need. Chart for visual trends, table for detailed lists, or a KPI metric for single number highlights. Select the data source, typically an existing report you've already built. Summary and matrix reports work especially well because they're structured for grouping and aggregation. Configure how the data is grouped, what metrics are displayed, and how the component should look so it communicates the story clearly. When your layout feels right, click Save. Your dashboard will appear in the Dashboards or Analytics list, ready to open anytime. Users with access can interact with it, and if you've included filters, they can adjust date ranges, owners, or other conditions to refine what they see without changing the underlying setup. A few tips can speed things up. If you find a dashboard you like, clone it and customize from there instead of building from scratch. Add dashboard filters to apply common conditions across all components at once, which keeps the experience consistent. For sharing, you can target specific users or roles, add key charts to your CRM homepage as widgets for instant visibility, and even embed dashboard URLs on approved domains, such as an internal site, for broader, controlled access.